ready to do the clean of my house. I'm so excited, but not. I okay. I will just talk a second because I need to explain it. So the today is Sunday, right? Is Pastor's Day. You know, right? Pastor Day of October 20. I don't know, 26. Yes, 26. Sunday. So I went to church and first first I went to church and I just heard and we just came in the church. Right. In me and Papa who went to church and my mama, my brother is the first one go and my mama second and my papa and me went the the same. We both there. And of the finish of the service, God's words and the singing of the Lord. Yes, it is. But I'm just crying. I don't know. It finished now of the service and the song, the thingies, and we gather the gifts. But I don't like to put my gift. I will just do mine last. And I don't eat in the church because I'm super sad and angry. Yes, I'm so angry. Why? I don't know. Bakit ako nag-umiiyak? Sabi ko. So I don't know why I'm so crying. And I'm so annoying. Yes, I'm annoying. Yes. Okay. For 3 minutes. Okay. And I will finish that and I will clean the house. Ah! Okay. Pagkatapos nun, nagpipicture sila. Ako lang left out. Left out ako talaga. Hindi pa ako nakakapicture. Basta, naiya ako. Okay. Dito lahat yung mga tao, no? Tsaka dito ako. Dito ako. Sa left. Sa left, dito yung mga tao. Dito yun, no? Tsaka ako dito. Dito ako, no? Umuupo lang ako. Tsaka tumitingin ako sa mga tao. Tsaka parang umiiyak na ako. Bakit ako umiiyak sa sarili ko? Na nag-note ako na lang hindi ako kakain. Yay, sabi ko. And tsaka may question mark. Pero, kumain naman. Kakatapos na yung service. Kumain. Umuwi na. Tsaka sabi ni mama, meron juice daw doon. Tsaka umuwi si mama ng juice. Nainom ko na konti. Pero, the juice is super dry. Pero nainom ko na naman na parang lasang iba. Parang hindi grapes na grapes. Talagang hindi masarap. I don't like it. But I drink it instead. Yes. Oh, for now. So I will just clean the house now. Yes. I will clean the house.